literally going to college after 6 months. I haven't even come down the street because I usually don't have any work around this area, but oh my god, I've missed this place so much. I miss my lab so much. I used to have production classes right there in that building. So I just got my package. I'm right outside my college, like you can see. The box is quite big and it's quite heavy, so I'm gonna get an Uber. I just booked one. I'm currently waiting for the Uber to come get me.
Before, I'm from India.
Oh, you are? Even I'm from India.
Which part of India?
The south, Bangalore.
Oh, Bangalore.
Yeah. What about you?
I'm from Punjab.
Punjab?
But I have a friend from Bangalore.
हिंदी बात करते हो?
Hindi में. Came here 1990.
That's crazy. I just went, got a package from college and got home, had this lovely Uber driver, and I had a really nice conversation with him, which was super nice. It kind of made my day and it kind of made his day, so I'm glad that happened. It's the small acts of kindness that counts. Just have a conversation with your Uber driver next time, because they're probably tired and they're probably lonely too, just sitting in a car all day. So just talk to them, check in with them, ask them how they're doing, and you probably might just end up making their day. I went to college to pick up a package for one of my classes. I have a bunch of non-perishable ingredients that they gave us to work with for some of my classes, because now my classes are online. So I want to get that box. I ended up meeting 2 of my professors and having a nice conversation with them. I haven't seen them in like 5 months, so it was so nice to see them and catch up with them and just talk to them and check in with them. So I ended up just staying there for a bit, having a conversation with them, and coincidentally my college was filming like a back to school movie of just like how the new normal is and how college is going about. So they were doing a bunch of filming around the campus today. I happened to be at the right place at the right time. While they were filming one of the shots, ended up filming a bunch of clips for the video that they're working on for my college, which was super fun. Just got home. I'm gonna now unbox the package that I picked up from college. It's a package for my production class. I'll be making another video getting more in depth into my classes and my subjects and how online culinary school is gonna be. I'm gonna be vlogging the whole process, so don't worry, you're gonna be right here with me watching this as I experience this. I know you'll really like the educational videos that I do, so I'm gonna unbox this box and see what's in it. I just opened up the box and this is what it looks like. There's just a list of everything that's there. I'm gonna put y'all back on the tripod and we can see what's all in there and start putting it away. Dark chocolate truffle shells, hazelnut praline grains, we have some apricot glaze, hazelnut paste, 70% chocolate, 41% milk chocolate, cocoa butter, maple syrup, and it says to refrigerate this as well. Next we have just this aluminium like foil pan, and it just has some packaging products inside it. So there's a foil pan and then there's a mini loaf mold, so I guess maybe we're gonna be making some sort of like a loaf. There is some foil tart shells like you can see, and then we also have some bonbon cups, a truffle box, some hazelnut oil, cocoa powder. Next thing we have are some mason jars. So they're like 2 larger mason jars and then there are 2 tinier ones. 64% chocolate. And then we have a big bag of Lindt. This is the dark chocolate, some coating chocolate, some liquid sugar. Then we have some soft white fondant and white chocolate, really small quantity of that. The next thing we have is some bronze luster dust, which we're probably going to be using for chocolate making. Some green cocoa butter, which is exciting. Next thing we have are two kinds of yeast. We have the instant yeast and we have the osmotolerant yeast. 7% milk chocolate. This is also the Lindt Coverture milk chocolate, whole milk powder, a bag of pectin. Last item in this box, there's some cake boxes. College starts in about 2 weeks, which is really exciting because it's going to be such a new learning experience to do culinary school online. It's gonna be fun, I guess. If not anything, it'll make for a good story for me to tell like 20 years down the line about the fact that I did culinary school online. But yeah, that's basically the haul of everything that was inside this box. I'm gonna put everything back in. I think I'm gonna end up storing everything back in this box and keep it in my room, so it's in a nice cool area. So I'm quickly whipping up a smoothie. Like you saw, I just got some mangoes, cut them, put them in this blender. I'm just grabbing some ice, a spoon of sugar. I don't like it too sweet. Add some milk. So basically my super simple mango smoothie. I kind of want to sit on my roof and drink my smoothie today, so I'm gonna do that. For those of you who haven't seen my roof, I actually haven't shown this before, but this is basically my roof and you get to come to my roof through my kitchen. So we tend to just sit here, my favorite spots, and look at the view. That is a glimpse of my backyard. I will be doing a whole house tour, but yeah, that's just a glimpse of my backyard and my roof. And I have my smoothie, so I'm gonna sit here and drink my smoothie and just chill out, watch some YouTube.
Waking up, I can feel the tired eyes. I can never say enough about the time. It flies by. It flies by. It flies by. It flies by. Okay, time flying. I ain't lying. Work on limb. No, last year feeling like last week.
Today is Wednesday and it's about 5 o'clock right now. I quickly changed. I've just been chilling in bed all day. Put on this super casual fit. I'm wearing white sneakers, a pair of jeans that I thrifted, this Abercrombie tank top that I also thrifted, and this pistachio green cardigan top. Super lazy day casual outfit. I'm currently headed out to go pick up a clothing rack that I found off Marketplace. So I'm just coordinating the pickup with the girl that's selling it, and she said 5:30 should be good, and it takes me about 20 minutes to get to where she lives. I have to take the subway, so I'm gonna head out now, and I think the timing should be fine. So I thought I'll take y'all along and show y'all a bit of Toronto. It's a very gloomy day in Toronto today, so yeah, let's head out. Just picked up the rack and it's all unassembled, but I saw a Shoppers Drug Mart really close by. I anyways had to go to one, so we're gonna go stop by the Shoppers and then head home. So yeah, let's go to Shoppers now. So I quickly just pulled up the manual for how to put this thing together. and now we're just gonna build it, and hopefully it fits in the space that I intend for it to fit in. Let's see, we're gonna build this and see how it goes. I ended up changing into something slightly more comfy, so yeah, let's try doing this.
Shit, maybe this a dream. Baby, you're a dream. Ay, I'm sleepwalking.
So it fit perfectly where I wanted it to fit. I styled a few pieces onto the rack just so y'all can get a better idea of what it looks like. But yeah, that's what it looks like. It looks so cute. It's such a perfect addition to my room. I love the aesthetic going on right now. Just made myself some cheese tortillas. It's so good. Look at that. This one has like a cheese ball. Look, oh my god, it's so good. I'm so hungry, so I thought I would quickly grab a bite to eat. So I just made this. Say hi.
You got me walking on ice, yeah, slipping and falling. Darling, I'm falling for you. Got me walking on ice, yeah, slipping and falling. Darling, I'm falling for you. Ay, yeah, this one's for you. You know who I'm talking to. Ay, we was living now you nine. Don't just say like you forgot to. Yeah, I thought you was the one I forgot to. Oh, you brought your own, I got a lot to. We can go pound for pound, yeah. Pull a couple more, see a style. It's a job, gonna be first. And we got the people screaming like the devil's in church. It's a job, gonna be first. Now we got the people screaming like the devil's in church. Got me walking on ice, yeah, slipping and falling. Darling, I'm falling for you. Got me walking on ice, yeah, slipping and falling. Darling, I'm falling for you. I'm just trying to get you back, ay. Drop a pin like where you at. Drop a pin like this where I stay. Yeah, let me know when you run my way. Yeah, I got something that I might say. I just gotta find the right way. I just gotta do it my way, yeah.